Lou.
And we are your lovely hosts of Ratchet Podcast, Dallas' hottest motherfucking me podcast. So, you already know what's popping tonight. We got some good shit in store. It's gonna get popping tonight. Okay, Lou, for the people that do not fuck with the show, even the ones that do fuck with the show, they might need a reminder tonight. Where can they catch us?
Well, the people who do fuck with the show, people who don't, you can follow us on YouTube, which is Ratchet_Chess Podcast. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, which is Ratchet_Chess with a Z .podcast. So, tell your friend and tell them to fuck with the show. Because we funny. We some funny ass bitches. So.
And just in case y'all didn't hear what she said,
please show them.
Where can they find us?
Ratchet_Chat with a Z podcast. YouTube.
You see
Ratchet
right
Chat Podcast. Hey,
right there.
If you see us in the street and you got some questions, I need you to follow first.
Alright, so yeah, tune in.
I hope you caught that.
Yeah, live every motherfucking Wednesday at motherfucking me 9:30. Fuck with the kids. Lil' E, what's up? What's poppin' tonight?
Alright, so tonight we're gonna kick this shit off with some motherfucking turn-ons versus turn-outs. As I always say, tune in. Your opinions are wanted tonight. If they not wanted any other night, tonight we want you to chime in. Let us know your thoughts. Listen, laugh, smoke a blunt, and just watch the show for about 30 minutes.
Smoke up blunts.
Because this is a podcast.
So we want y'all to know that means we expect y'all to continue rolling throughout this 40-minute set.
Exactly.
How many blunts do you think motherfuckers smoke in 40 minutes?
A lot. If you're by yourself, you can probably go through about, I would say 4. By yourself.
By yourself about 40 minutes. What you say, Kayla?
If I was by myself, boy, if you know how strong it is, I'll probably do about 2 or 3.
I'll say in about 40 minutes, I can do about a good 3 blunts, honestly. If I'm by myself, I can get through 3 easily. Easily. All right, Ratchet.
What about y'all, though? How many can y'all smoke in 40 minutes?
Comment below. Shoot us a number. How many blunts can y'all actively smoke?
Solo, dolo.
Dolo. In 40 minutes. Speaking up, what's poppin'? Ladies, y'all know what time it is, right?
Time to get in position.
I'm definitely ready.
Who's ready to get in position tonight?
Me. And we want to see some hand claps.
Who's going to start their night with some cheer? Alright, y'all. We're gonna get it popping. On 3, ladies. 1, 2, 3.
If
You ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then your bitch will surely show it. If you ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. Clap that ass. Clap that ass. Clap that ass. Clap that ass. Hey, again, thank you for tuning in to another live cheer from your finest.
And if you don't understand the lyrics, because we know we have some loud voices. The verse is, if you're ratchet and you know it, clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it,
Clap your hands. If you ratchet and you know it, then
Then
you
you click.
will surely show it.
If you
Ratchet and you know it, clap your hands.
then
Clap that ass. 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 And we'll have the lyrics scrolling across the
So
screen.
next time, sing along, chime in, and enjoy the show.
And put some hand claps in the comments if you are
So we know that
participating in
you
the
real.
Ratchet cheer. Alright, y'all. So, hey Lou, what is our Ratchet social media topic of the night?
Well, before we get into our Ratchet social, sorry y'all, little technical difficulties. There we go. Okay, our Ratchet social for tonight is gonna be talking about Jeezy and Jeannie Mae tonight. I'm gonna let Elle explain that one to go into more detail. We also gonna give a shout out to Tyler Perry.
Oh, Lord.
We're gonna talk about that too, and we also gonna give a congratulations to Cassie and her husband and new baby. Congratulations, and did y'all know you bad? Did y'all know you
I mean,
bad?
honestly, y'all.
Did
what
y'all
y'all
did
think
want
she did?
to
No,
get-
she's married. I agree.
He doesn't care.
Me?
I agree. That relationship.
Out there.
I agree.
Ain't thought about him twice. Gone.
So Jenny Mai, basically had a little segment on her show today, and the bitch was basically saying how Jesus made her feel special because he loved his birthday party to drop her ass off at the airport. And it's just little shit like that that I guess her husband never did, which makes Jeezy so special. Now, I understand where, sometimes a man, certain men do certain things, maybe go the extra mile. But do y'all think she's doing the most?
I just feel like she needs to just chill. It's still fresh. Keep y'all shit low key. Don't do the most just yet. I'm not saying you can't ever do the most, but get some history first. You know what I'm saying? It's you don't know a motherfucker yet. Not that soon. And I'm not hating because I love Jeezy. But I just feel like she just need to chill. Just relax. Keep y'all shit on the low. You don't have to, and if he is doing all these wonderful things and you feel this amazing, that's cool. Just make sure it's gonna be around for a little minute. And I'm not hating. It's just nowadays shit don't last.
Right.
So
but you get the cap and that shit's over.
And even for me, I've been excited about a nigga and next thing you know, he's gone. So she just need to chill. Get off my nigga's dick.
I'm with E. I feel like, I get it. You in love. This is something new for you. It's fresh. But I think the real problem is right now with her is that she ain't really never had no hood dick.
She ain't had no hood dick.
And I get it. Why you acting like that?
I get it.
I really do get it.
I get it.
Because I feel like you didn't even talk about your husband like this much. Every week you got something to say about him, which is nothing wrong with that. I'm not hating on y'all. But it's just like, damn.
This nigga done fucked the shit out your ass. Like every little thing this nigga do.
He left his birthday party and take me to the airport.
Bitch, why?
I always Uber my whole life. Bitch, Uber ain't been around your whole life.
And this is my other thing. Why would you? Okay, if he offered, that's one thing. But if you asked him to do that on his birthday, why would you do that in the first place?
He probably offered. That's why she felt so special.
Because she said I would Uber.
That he actually left the
she
party
did say she would Uber.
Mm-hmm.
That would make me feel special.
And that's probably why she felt like he left all his friends, all his family, just to have their last few moments with me.
Make sure you
and I get it. But I also get what she's saying. Keep that shit. Every week you talk about this nigga, and at this point, I'm sure your co-host probably talking. They not fucking this nigga. I'm sure they don't fucking care. Tamara up there with a white nigga. She's not feeling the same thing.
Tamara needs some black dick.
I think she mad, y'all.
She bad. I think she hates so bad. She hates the
black dick.
She do.
And then Adrian, she with that older gospel singer, Israel.
Oh, he ain't. They want that. These hoes want to get towed up.
Low key.
And that's period.
Really?
They're not getting towed.
Jenny the only one getting towed down on this show, basically.
Jenny the only one in the show with a fine nigga.
Ooh, that's
she
true.
know a nigga fine because she even said it.
Because the other lady, I always forget her name. What's the other lady? The funny one on the real.
Lonnie?
Yeah, Lonnie. Because she was a white guy.
Her big ass with a
She
white
was a
guy.
white man.
I guess love is love. Okay, so we're going to talk about a little bit of Tyler Perry's Black Excellence over the weekend. Can we say absolutely beautiful? I know we've seen all the pictures and videos.
Gorgeous.
330 acres. 330 acres.
But
Bigger than any studio.
it was a beautiful wedding.
built.
Would y'all have a wedding that massive?
A wedding?
What did they have?
Tyler Perry?
Oh, you talking about Tyler Perry? I'm thinking of. I'm sorry. I thought I heard something.
That's what.
We're talking about Tyler Perry's studio grand opening.
Sorry.
Like Universal Studios, he got his own.
It was beautiful.
Bro.
And the fact that he said that it was owned by people, Confederates,
Mm-hmm.
soldiers.
He took
They're
that
trying
money
to
back.
kill 3 million
Keep
black
them slaves.
black
Keep them
slaves.
slaves, basically.
It means even more.
And then
And now it's owned by one nigga.
like he
One.
said, and it's just amazing the people that he dedicated to those 12 Sound Studios, Denzel.
Whoopi
Goldberg, Oprah, Will
Smith,
people that deserve it. He gave people stars that never thought they would ever have a star in Hollywood.
Amazing.
He said, I've been on sets where I've been the only black person. I'm looking around, I'm like, damn, where's all the black people? He said, every person that works for me is black.
Like I said, y'all can never hate on Tyler Perry because that man didn't have nothing. He literally was sleeping in the car.
And he always stayed true to his people.
Always stay true to himself. I don't care how many gay rooms, all the extra shit came out.
And you know
have
what?
to respect him.
And bro, I'm gonna say this to end it with TP. He had an interview with Gail this morning, and basically he was saying why Hollywood never accepted him, so he had to build his own. He was like, the movies and stories that I tell, I'm not gonna lie, they appeal to a black crowd. He was like, but I have black stories to tell. That's how I was raised. I made movies and stuff and stories that I know people that I grew up with and raised around can relate to. A white person can never tell a story like Medea or even put it in a sense to make black people understand. He was like, so I would never fit in with Hollywood's idea of me doing a movie for them. He said, so I had to create my own. He said, and I never ever let that get in the way. I continue to make movies. I continue to pay ways, and look where I'm at now. White people will be paying him to use his studio.
Exactly.
A real life.
He has an exit with his name, Tyler Perry Studios in Atlanta. You have to exit his shit.
I can't wait.
He has a highway. His name is up there. Tyler Perry Studios. When you exit,
streets, homeless.
Dreams come true. Don't stop doing it.
Manifestation.
Keep your faith.
Exactly.
Manifestation.
But anywho,
turn offs
versus turn on. So I guess I'll shake the bowl up.
Turn
y'all
offs.
been fucking with us, y'all already know what this bowl is. We put the questions in this hole, pull a question, ask that question, discuss that question.
Okay. Turn offs and turn ons. What's some shit that turn y'all off about a nigga or a bitch?
Ghetto ass bitches.
Yes.
I don't give a fuck.
Niggas love a hood bitch and a ghetto bitch. It's a difference, but they love both.
Oh, this question is, look, you need to get a discussion.
Turn it down real quick. Okay, we have a disclosure. All right. Nothing that we're saying tonight. Please don't take nothing that we say tonight personal. The shit that we said tonight, it's not all accurate. It's just how we feel. It doesn't mean that it's true. You know, don't take it personal. Don't be offended. Please.
Whoever, look, this shit might fit a couple of you mother. This might be a one size fits.
This is for everybody.
This is on both sides. Oh God.
Is it a turn off when the motherfucking scientific right here, miss? Do that shit turn y'all off? Is that a deal breaker?
It's not a deal breaker when a motherfucking side teeth missing, whether it's one or whether it's both. And we asked that question because we're seeing so much of it lately. We're seeing so many side teeth missing.
Okay.
So is it a turn off?
If it's just one, and that hoe, like you gotta really be he gotta really be like just really laughing loud in the hole. See that bitch? I'm cool. But when you get to multiples and that hoe, like every time you talk, no. Every time you talk, you see that bitch.
And you laugh.
No. And really that one is gonna turn me off. Period. I'm gonna have to find out about that hoe after I like it. So I just get your teeth together. I'm a big teeth person. I've had braces, Invisalign. I'm gonna get braces again. So I am a big teeth person, obviously. I need your teeth great.
Me, I'm with E. It really just depends where that hole is. If it's back here, I can deal with that. That's cool. But if that shit right here, or right here in the front, no, I'm not gonna.
You can't do that.
I ain't gonna be able to focus. I'm gonna be too busy looking in your mouth, looking at there's an empty gap right here. Something missing.
I can do a chip tooth or a crooked tooth before missing tooth.
And I'm with her. I'm big on teeth. Like, I want you to go sit in and tell me cleaning. It's like, get your teeth fixed. Like, that's important. That's important.
I can't actually do either one. The missing, the chips, or the crooked. I'm a big teeth person, and I'm sorry, at this point, because I have invested so much into my teeth, that's all I see now when I meet a nigga.
Yeah.
And it's like, I done met a nigga with the side tooth missing. I done met a nigga with both side teeth missing. And I can't even stunt. Even though the nigga attractive, it's like, that's all I can see. And it's like, yeah, they ain't even gotta be laughing all hard, but when you talk, they're on the side.
Yes, it is.
They're on the side. I mean, and me personally, I just feel like I would always be looking at that. And I that's a major turn off for me. Just because I feel like I would always be looking at that.
It looks like dentures. Like you got to take them out.
It just don't look right.
What about when people have a bottom teeth like jumbled?
Like
People
keyboard,
like keyboard at the bottom?
pianos.
That kind of bothers me.
That used to be my teeth.
But look what you did. You got it corrected. You did. What about niggas who or women who be having plaque on their teeth?
Ew, I can't.
So plaque is disgusting.
And you can see it.
And I've met some niggas that actually did have plaque.
I just wanted to get some flowers
Yeah.
and just click it.
No, I just wanted to be like, get the fuck on.
Why do you have
Right.
that?
I mean, you haven't brushed your teeth in years.
You're not
Okay.
flossing, nothing. It's just building.
Ew.
And this is are you brushing at all?
It's been weeks since you've
That
seen
is
brush.
disgusting.
No, some niggas just don't know how to properly brush.
That's disgusting. This shit is basic. You gotta hit this hoe first, my nigga, as soon as you hit the grill. That hoe first.
I don't know, so I ain't fucking with the nigga with the side tooth missing.
Me.
I ain't fucking with niggas. Side tooth missing, plaque on your teeth, piano. All that. Just take care of y'all teeth, baby.
Yeah.
Go get it
I
fixed.
ain't fucking with it.
Too many mid dentistries out here.
Okay, so I have a next question is it a turn on if a guy plans the date?
Yes.
Is it a turn on if the guy plans the first date?
Definitely a
It's
time.
Or the
Yeah,
second
turn on.
date? So tell me, ladies, why is it a turn on if a guy plans the first date? What
I-
turns you on about it?
I think I'm so used to me always, a nigga always being like, so what you want to do? Can you plan something? You pick out a place you want to go. I love for a guy to take the initiative, to take control, and just, be the man and go ahead and plan something for both of us. All I have to do is show up. Just tell me to be ready at a certain time. I do really love that. Like, I just think that's such a turn on. Or like, I don't know, surprise me. Put a little effort to it. So yeah.
Now, are you spontaneous enough to be willing to do whatever it is he surprises you to do?
Yeah, especially if I like him. If I don't like you, then no.
Busy. Sorry.
Sorry. I just remember I gotta go do this. Yeah, but if I like you, of course, I'm gonna be way open to it. I'm already excited about the day because I like you. So then the fact that you just like, oh, get ready.
Yeah.
Be here at a certain time. I don't know what's going on. Nothing. I'm just dressed cute.
So awesome.
That's beautiful.
Just beautiful.
What turns you on about it?
I agree with Kinsley, the whole, everything she said. It's everything that the fact that you're taking control, initiative, like you were thoughtful, considerate, all of those things turn me on. So, just do that more often, fellas.
Come on, y'all. L.
Amber.
It turns me on in a number of ways. Again, thought. Not wanting to ask me. Initiative.
Yeah.
The want to do it.
The one.
You wanted
The number one thing is he wanted to do it. He wanted to plan it. He wanted to take the time to do it. He didn't even think about if you would like it or not. He was secure enough to know that you would like whatever it is that he planned.
Exactly.
And that says confidence to me.
Exactly.
You
So,
have
yes.
to say plan something.
Yes, confidence.
That's confidence to me. So yes, that turns me on.
That's just beautiful.
You
love
dumb
that.
ass niggas need to start doing them more often. Turn me on.
I like
Try.
Turn me on.
Take that little control.
Turn me on.
Hey. ask about the date. What if the date was like some shit you wasn't feeling? Like it was either it was too cheap or you didn't really feel like you just wasn't into it.
Do you say something?
I wouldn't say nothing.
Or are you just gonna like try to enjoy it? If not, with
I'm definitely gonna try to enjoy it. I would really have to come up with a scenario because honestly, I can't even think of nothing that I would just be like, really. Unless I don't know. Unless he took me like somewhere with his partners, then you know that should be like,
really.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what if your first date he took you to go shoot ice?
Should I swear?
With his partners.
In the corner.
Okay.
Oh, outside.
Like,
You all tricked.
Babe, can we stop over here real quick? You be like, oh yeah. Let's just say y'all finna go on the first date. He say, oh babe, I'm finna go get some weed. You like, okay, cool. You know, be there, we ain't tripping. He pull over, he go get the dope. Dice game going on outside. He stops. He pulls out some bread. He eats about to potato bag.
What you doing?
What you doing?
We finna go on a
Do
date.
you say anything?
Yes. I call an Uber. And I'm gone. I'm about to go. I'm not gonna sit here and
What do you do?
I'm calling an Uber. I'm out. Uber, thank God for it.
Yeah, what do y'all do? For real though.
I'm not that bitch.
I don't want to be here shooting no damn dice. I'm all just
This is our first day. You finna
I'm gonna say something like that. Like this our first day, like Erica's saying.
So are you
Wait,
gonna
are you
walk up?
saying?
No, did you get out the car? Did you go walk
I'm just like, what's up?
in front of all his partners. You
No,
know what
not in front. I'm gonna pull
Exactly.
aside. I'm gonna pull aside. Or why would we pull up? I may be like,
Nah,
well, we're about to
you
go.
didn't know.
No, we about to pull up to somebody's house. Okay, we'll go over here. Let's go over here.
What are we doing?
Or maybe just going to the house party.
What if he say he gonna be in and out? And then he end up, like she said.
Okay, so I don't know.
It's gonna be chilling.
Yeah, I'm gonna chill.
Roll up some blunt.
Get out. Hey, let me get in on the game.
Your turn.
Y'all coming out today?
I'm out that bitch.
Okay, so I have a question. And I really want to disclose on this.
Ooh.
Because I don't want to offend nobody. First date. Is it a turn off for a nigga to pull up in a certain kind of car? You excited. Y'all been having good conversation, been texting. You like, oh, I'm excited to see you. Can't wait to see you Friday. He's playing the date. Everything cool. You like, oh, I'm so excited. What should I buy, bitch? What? We going such and such.
I'm turned off by
He pulls up.
I'm sorry.
He pulls up. He's still driving a Crown Vic. He grown. He just in a Vic.
Okay,
Are you tired out?
How does Vic look though? Cause Vics are nice. Some Vics do look good. How does this particular Vic look?
Got rims on
Are we
it.
talking about paint job?
I was just
If
regular.
it's factory, I'm
He
good.
is an old factory Vic.
Hey, I'm good.
I'm
Even if
chilling.
it's an old one.
No, I'm chilling.
I ain't tripping. Mom seeing y'all at
He got a car. Cause what I want a nigga who don't
The
have a
old
car.
factory Vic, you too.
I'm chilling.
And it
Honestly,
can't
I'm
be
chilling.
white. I'm sorry. No, it can be beige.
Really, it can't be white.
It can be
Oh, it
beige.
can't be beige.
It
I
can
hate
be
the
beige.
No.
Beige looks better
No.
with clear windows.
I hate the white and the black.
I hate white and I hate
I
black.
like the black.
Beige. we
Burgundy
good.
is cool.
So if he pull up in the Vic, you fucking with him.
So really, it's no color.
If he pull up in a white Vic with the police car doors, with the black doors, I don't know. Oh my God.
What if it still have the old police shit on there? He just got
The
the
light.
from the past.
But he been sweet. He's a gentleman.
He's so sweet. He
He's
has
a
a
gentleman.
job.
Oh my gosh. Oh my God. I love him. He's so sweet.
I'm just like, babe, you
I'm
just have
sorry.
your heart.
He pulls up.
I know.
He opens the door for you and everything.
I get turned off real easy. I can really go from liking you to like ill in a matter of days. It can take something like that. We can be texting, good conversation, everything is great. But you pull up to some And I'm not trying to be mean. But it is just certain cars. I'm not saying you gotta be no foreign. You ain't gotta be doing all the most. But it's certain cars that are just off limits. And I feel like, that's my prerogative. I can feel how I want to feel.
So you dipping, you chilling? You chilling with the crown bit?
I'm gonna chill, but I'm gonna be uncomfortable.
I'm like you too.
I don't know how I'm gonna feel after that. I probably just ain't gonna wanna ride in his shit no more. I might still fuck with him because he probably can change cars, but I ain't gonna wanna ride in his shit. I probably wouldn't feel comfortable riding his shit, but I still fuck with him.
2 days later in late 2019 Maserati.
I'm glad
Tesla.
I didn't give him.
Tesla? Nah! Why you ain't take that? Yeah, just slugging on the Tesla. Nah.
I can fuck with him, but I probably wouldn't ride in his shit. What about you, Kayla?
Nah, I'm with you. I'm gonna be like, I'll fuck with him, but I'll probably be like, you can just park your car, I just drive though. You ain't gotta worry about it.
Yeah, I'm gonna be on some I'll drive type shit.
I'll drive, it's cool.
You can drive our shit while we
Right,
at it.
I was just about to say, you can drive mine.
Oh yeah, we not gonna ride in
Yeah.
his car.
Nah, babe, I'm a man. Ain't no woman driver.
I know, boo.
No.
Well, you can drive my car.
I'm driving.
But
I ain't saying
you not crying on.
Windows
we ain't going far.
Ride through the
Music blast.
Turn up.
You know he gonna
How you
have
looking in the car?
You know he gonna have
I can be just like this.
He gonna have some blunts.
With a blunt,
He
yeah.
gonna have you a blunt. That's all he got.
Babe, ride up with them.
Are you good now?
Where is it?
Babe, come some drink. Babe. Babe,
But
what's
now
going on?
they crab big.
Yeah.
Fuck that big bitch
Yeah.
too.
Hey, home.
Yeah.
What you want to eat, babe?
He got that one of the bitch with 3 people can ride.
Yeah. What you want to eat?
Everything connected.
I gotta go force. I gotta lay all the way down that bitch in front seat.
I'm on some shit.
I'm fuck with it.
I'm gonna fuck with him. We just gonna ride my shit like I said.
I'm a fuck with it. Sorry.
Yeah.
So we down.
So we some damn
We down. Eric, so you changed your mind. You down.
I'm down. I'm fucking with it.
She gonna fuck with the nigga in the beat. We all gonna fuck with the nigga. I don't know. It's kind of a turn off, but I can still get around it.
Okay. We just did a turn off, right? So is it a turn on if a nigga keep a clean house?
That is such a turn on. Nigga with a clean house is such a turn on.
How clean are we talking about?
It don't gotta be spots. But like, just basic clean, You ain't got shit all over the room. You know what I'm saying? You motherfucking sorry. You ain't got shit all over the room. Your bathroom is clean, your toilet, all the shit around the toilet.
I hate a dirty toilet.
I don't know. Because I'm spotless. I love a super clean guy, but I'm not tripping. It don't have to be spotless.
It definitely does.
It could be because I know how niggas is. Niggas ain't as clean as bitches, so I'm okay with that. It's a plus if he isn't clean as me. But if there's little shit, like laying around, if it's just not filthy, like dishes all piled up, dirty ass shit just laying all around. I'm cool with just little shit,
Right.
But it's definitely a turn on.
But what is
Shit
dirty?
spotless.
Like, what if he got old ass dishes in the sink? You smell trash odor.
That's dirty.
Ring around the tub.
Ugh. The toilet, brown.
It's just dirty.
That's just
That's
dirty.
filthy though. That's the difference. It's the difference.
So if you walk in his shit and it's like that, are you gonna say something to him?
I won't be able to
What's up?
stay long. I'm sorry.
It's a turn off.
Yeah.
I've been in a situation.
I can't stay long.
Yeah.
I went
I've
to
been to
that
a guy's house that wasn't too clean too.
Oh my god, I went to his house. His bathroom was disgusting.
Ew.
Like sick.
Like the sink was corroded.
Yes.
Like
Ew.
I know what you mean.
The sink was brown. It had shit in it.
Ew.
Not literally shit, but it was just brown.
That's
The toilet wasn't clean. I'm like, how are you in here brushing your teeth, doing anything? Like that shit is nasty. So yeah, just keep it decent. Like,
That's
I mean, did you ever fuck with him again?
No.
Did you fuck with him?
No.
you fuck.
I held my bladder. I didn't even want to pee.
Ew.
That's how bad it was. I didn't want to use the restroom.
Why would you even have anybody over?
I wouldn't even want to have no company.
Clean up, bro. That's not cute, man.
Like, you cannot come up to my house unless my house is clean.
Exactly.
Like, if I know somebody coming, I'm finna, like, make sure my shit is straight up.
Everything
Most
clean.
of the time it's straight anyway. But I'm for sure, especially if it's, you know, male company, I'm gonna make sure my shit is clean. So, fellas, why would you do that if you know you're gonna have a lady friend over?
Take
Like,
the trash out.
she's clean up. Or just don't even invite her over.
Exactly. Because you ain't getting no pussy.
I agree. If your house is filthy, fellas, I'm not fucking you. Period. I'm
Period.
not gonna want to fuck you. I don't care how fine you
Your
is.
dick is filthy.
I don't care how much
Exactly.
weed you got. I don't care how fine you is, what you got going. If your house is dirty, I'm not giving you no pussy. Period. And that's it is what it is. I'm just not gonna lay my black ass down on dirty.
I'm not saying tonight. I'm not doing none of that shit.
Because I feel like instead of fucking me, you need to be cleaning up.
Exactly.
Stop trying to get some pussy and
Clean
clean up.
Clean this shit up. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna tell you. I'm like that nigga mama.
Come on.
Get your ass up and clean this shit up. You got dishes
Yeah,
on
they empower me when you done got this shit cleaned the fuck
microwave
up.
filthy. You got motherfucking shit on the floor. All that.
Oh,
Just refrigerator stain. Ugh.
this is it.
Roaches. Everything. Rings around the tub.
You went too far with the roaches. Nah.
That's
At
right.
that point, I'm not calling you up again.
I'm never talking
I'm
to
gonna give you
you.
an opportunity to clean that shit up. But roaches are out, my nigga.
Roaches and all the other shit. Hell no.
But yeah.
Roaches.
Hell no. I do have another turn off question.
What that stuff, Caroline?
So, is it a turn off if you on a date and your date uses coupons or a Groupon thing?
I'm not gonna be turned off. That's not gonna turn me off.
I will.
He put out a 2 for $10 specials at the movies.
I'm not
turned
gonna
off.
be turned off.
Use that shit on your little brother or sister. You on a date.
Why does he have to do extra? Because he's on a date.
It's not even about doing extra because it's not doing extra if you don't
He's
have
paying
it.
extra money because he's on a date. That's what you're saying. You should pay extra money because he's on a date with me.
No.
That's what it boils down
I'm
to.
sorry. It bothers me. I'm all for a nigga saving money. I'm all for it. But in that instance, when you're taking a lady out, you're treating her. That means you have it to spend. Don't try to go out and be using no motherfucking coupons, my nigga. I'm not
He's
for it.
a conservative person.
Like I said, I'm all for you saving bread. That's just not the time I feel like you should be doing it. If you gotta do all that, you should take me out of that. You gotta watch your phone. It ain't not bother you. It bothers me.
I'm just talking.
Okay.
What if he just feels like he is a conservative person? He's been dying to use this gift card he got from work. Shit, it ain't about the money. Obviously, he been spending all night. Obviously, it's not about the money. Shit, you know he got it. He know he got it. But shit, he want to take out the movies. He got a gift card. Why is that a big deal? You know he got the bread. He know he got the bread. What more does he need to prove to you?
A gift card is fine, but using a coupon.
A gift card is
discount.
different. Ain't nobody got coupons no more. It's 2019. Everybody got gift cards nowadays.
That's true.
Or a Groupon. So basically, a gift card, a coupon is considered a gift card.
I'm not good with it.
Me, I don't care. It don't matter to me because I've been on a date where we used the coupon, but we went to spas. Who cares? Shit, I didn't pay for it, so I'm not really tripping. I still had a good time. I don't really care because if I was planning that day, I might buy that shit off Groupon myself or use a coupon. Why not?
The only difference is he wouldn't know.
He wouldn't know. I may be like, hey, I found this coupon. I don't care. I'm gonna be real about it. I mean, shit, why not try to save some money?
And you can say
And still have a nice, extravagant date before I go first.
Picked you up in his Maserati and he used a Groupon.
again. I'm not okay.
Oh my God.
You're not okay with it. But you okay with using a coupon on him?
But she okay with shooting dice in the hood.
Right.
Each his own. I never said I would use a coupon on him.
So you going for the 2 special?
I'm cool with Groupon, whatever, coupon.
Me too. I'm cool with it. And she obviously is not cool with it. So if y'all try to use some coupons, Groupons, 2-for-1 special, baby.
Pay full price.
Pay full price.
Applebee's when you get 2 entrees and you get 1 appetizer. The 2 entrees and 1 appetizer for $20.
Pay full price.
Pay full price. Me, I'm cool with that. I am cool with that.
So I actually love the lunch alarm chicken.
Oh, for what?
Oh!
Oh. That's good.
I love a bed of rice. Some tortilla chips. Pie. Oh my God.
So you cool with that too?
Oh, I had a head.
Oh my God.
Oh, I'll take Brazil soup.
Oh, I love resin.
You can take me there, I bet.
I love resin.
Thanks.
That shit good too.
Come with a basket bread on there too.
Ooh, get a drink, meal.
All of it.
Ain't get no half order.
Okay, so we got time for one more question. Okay, so this is a good question. Is it a turn on if a nigga has a good relationship with his baby mama? It's not a turn on if a nigga that you're interested in, like you really want to fuck with, and you see that he has a good relationship with his baby mama. No issues, He can get his kid,
I think that's beautiful. That's just.
Is that a turn on?
It's definitely a turn on. It's a sign of
I hate
maturity.
drama.
I'm with Eric. I hate drama.
Any kind of way.
Especially that baby mama, baby daddy shit, because y'all always gonna have to deal with each other because y'all have a child together.
Right.
So it's gonna always be a problem. So at the end of the day, figure that shit out and make it work, and just don't include me in it.
Right.
Please.
But it is beautiful if they have a good relationship.
But it's
like you said, it's mature. That means life's moved on.
Right.
We can deal with our child. We both know we don't want each other no more. And we do what we gotta do to co-parent. I think it's so sexy when a nigga can still step up, be a father, and be respectful to his baby mama. They don't always gotta be bitch hoe this or
right.
You don't have to be disrespectful to your baby mama for a bitch to know you don't really fuck with her.
Exactly.
Some bitches are insecure though. They think a nigga got a dog their baby mama out to be, I know he over her then. No, it don't work like that. He can be nice. Okay.
I feel like when it's drama, it's feeling still there. It depends, based off who the drama coming from.
Right.
It's something is there that makes you care so much. Otherwise, nothing would phase you. Nothing, all that extra shit wouldn't get on your nerves as much.
Right.
If you didn't have a care.
You wouldn't be nitpicking.
Yeah, you wouldn't care. So
yeah, y'all would get on the schedule, get organized, and make that shit work. Okay, you get her one, we gotta get her one.
So we can deal with each other as least as possible.
Exactly.
Compromise, all that shit.
All that trash shit.
If there's no drama, you don't even have to worry about how to see the least as possible. Because when you get your child, it's peaceful.
That is so true. And I ain't got time.
Yeah.
I don't.
It is beautiful though. I can respect a nigga that got a good relationship with that baby mama. That makes it good for everybody. That means me and her can have a good relationship.
Yeah, because I'm going to be around your child.
Right. I'm
going to be around you.
I'm going to
be around your kids.
Like it's cool.
It starts with him.
It definitely starts
with him.
Yeah, because he creates the tone.
He creates the tone. He sets the tone. So I think that's beautiful.
So shout out to all the good black fathers.
Yeah.
All fathers, sorry.
All of them.
All y'all.
Peaceful baby daddies.
Thank y'all for taking care of kids. Baby mamas.
You got less than 2 kids, holla.
You got 0 or win.
Oh.
Holla.
I'm with L. You got less than 2. Holla.
2, you can be my boo.
2, you can be her boo.
2 is the max.
2 you can be my boo. Yeah, 2 is the max for sure. Really, 1 can be the max, but I'm gonna let you make it with 2.
I'm good. I think I can do 3.
I don't mind.
Ooh! I'm
chilling.
Because I met a guy
I'm
who had
very
3 kids.
I have twins.
How many baby mamas did he have? Oh, he had twins. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Oh, that one thing
So
I
he
just
had
did.
2 baby mamas, basically.
Okay, so that
He
plays
got
a part. Niggas with multiple baby mamas, like, really
Yeah.
more than 2 baby mamas, you pushing it. Three baby mamas, I'm like, okay, why can't you settle down with neither one of your baby mamas? Why haven't you made it work out? It ain't even about the fact that you got them. It's just, why can't you make shit work? I might be your fourth. That's what I'm thinking in my head.
I did do 3 kids because I did just meet a nigga, but they was all by his ex-wife. Man, he out here 3 kids by the same bitch. So I could probably do it in that situation.
Just depends.
You got 3 and they all by the same bitch. Cause I met another nigga too, he had 3 kids and they was all by the same bitch. So I guess I could do that. If you got 3 different baby mamas, I'm good on you, my nigga. That's too much.
It just depends. Well, y'all, I really hate to do this, but it's time to end the show. It's time to end the show.
We hope y'all like our new shirts. We got Ratchet Chest Apparel coming soon.
Ratchet Chest Podcast. To you.
Exactly. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in. We'll be back next Wednesday at 9:30 p.m. on Instagram Live.
Next Wednesday, 9:30.